everybody, it's Shauna and
Jackson.
we're gonna do an Easter craft. What we did is we took a canvas from Dollar Tree and painted it blue up on top and green on the bottom, and we're gonna do a footprint for a bunny, spring or Easter decoration. So we're gonna do one on this canvas that we painted, and we're gonna do another one on just a white canvas that later I can go back and paint in the grass.
I want to show my foot. It's stinky. We're back, and I didn't know that we're going to show my toe.
So I picked a book about the same size as the opening on the back of the canvas, so you can put it in there and give it a little bit of stability before he steps on it. So let's do this one first. We're gonna paint your foot. You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna use apple barrel paint in warm
buff.
Warm buff. Yep.
Where do you get that?
Walmart.
That's easy to find.
Mm-hmm. I'm just kidding.
It's cold.
You're not ticklish, are you? Almost done. The toes are ticklish?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna put your toes about halfway into the grass. There you go. Can you stand up? There you go. Now lift it straight up. And you can step on that.
My foot's pretty big.
It's a big bunny.
Yeah. We're gonna do that baby's foot next.
Yeah, the baby's gonna be the carrot jogger. So that's what it looks like so far. That's the bunny's body. It looks really cute. So now we're gonna do a white one. Okay, ready? So this one we don't really have a set spot, but we'll just do it right. Okay, so that's what that one looks like. So that's it for your part for right now. We're gonna let that dry. All right, we're back. Now for the fun part, we're gonna try to work very quickly because let me show you the little carrot that we got. Oh my goodness, look at those toes. Look at these little toes. So,
I still like it.
paint his little foot. Oh boy, here we go. Oh no! Oh no, you got your toes. You don't know what to think. He's like, that kind of tickles. Okay, he's curling his toes up. Put his foot look, like that. Oh, Jagger, you're doing good. Look at that. Okay.
Oh no.
There's one.
Oh man.
Gotta work fast.
Yes, we do. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that. That was good. Good
One
job,
more,
Jagger. One more.
That only got 4 toes.
That's okay. One more, Jaggy. One more, babe. Ready? Oh, there we go. That's good. That's good.
Wow.
Okay, there you go. Thank you, Jagger.
Should we redo that one?
No, it's okay. There's Jagger. He did so good. That's his first craft. So, this is a package of pom-poms I got at Walmart. Has 6 of them in there. We're going to use this for the bunny tail. Just going to hot glue them on there. So here's the bunny tail after we hot glued the pom-pom on there. Now we're going to put some greenery for the carrot top.
We're back.
We are. And guess what? We're done. You want to see what it looks like? So cute. We added some greenery to the carrot and then some bunny ears to the top of his foot where the bunny is, and just drew in a little bit of blades of grass in there. But that's it. We're done. It came out really cute. Thanks for tuning in and watching with us and hanging out with us while we did our craft. Thank you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.